Hi and welcome to my tutorial. I'll be teaching on how to play tonic Solfa notation on C major scale, neck of guitar. This has to do with the neck and this has to do with off neck. Playing on the neck of guitar also involves open strings. Doing this involves open strings. Then doing this on the off neck has nothing to do with an open string. It has nothing to do with open strings. Okay, what is tonic Solfa notation? Tonic Solfa notation is a system which involves the use of syllabic names for reading music. These syllabic names are called Solfa. It involves the use of 7 consonant small letters of the alphabet, namely Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. But to complete the notes of the scale, the first letter, Do for major scale or La for minor scale, is usually repeated after the 7th letter. Thus, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do for major scale, or La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La for minor scale. Okay, it's time to apply these tonic Solfas on this C major scale, neck. Okay, I'm starting from the 6th string. The first note on this 6th string is Mi, which is an open string. Then the second note to be played with your first finger is Fa on the 1st fret. Then the 3rd note to play with your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret is Sol. So these are the 3 notes we have on this 6th string. Mi, then Fa, then Sol. Okay, let's proceed to the 5th string. The first note on this 5th string is La. La is an open string. La is an open string. Then the second note is Ti. You have to do this with your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret. Then Do, which is the key note, and this is C, key C. So these are the 3 notes we have on this 5th string or A string. La, then Ti, Do. Okay, let's go to the 4th string or this string. Don't forget 1st string, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. The first note on this 4th string is Re, and it's an open string. Then Mi on the 2nd fret, making use of your 2nd finger. Fa on the 3rd fret, make use of your 3rd finger. So these are the 3 notes we have on this string. Re, Mi, then Fa. Okay, let's go to the next string, the 3rd string or G string. The first note on this 3rd string is Sol, and it's an open string. Then the 2nd note is La on the 2nd fret, making use of your 2nd finger. So these are the 2 notes we have on this G string. Sol and La are the only 2 notes we have. Okay, let's proceed to the 2nd string, or you call this B string. The first note is an open string. This is what Ti is the first note, and it's an open string. Then on the 1st fret, make use of your 1st finger is what? Do. Then third fret, make use of your third finger, Re. So these are the three notes we have on this string. Ti, Do, Re. Okay, let's proceed to the first string, which is the high E string. The first note is here, is Mi. Then on the first fret, make use of your first finger, Fa is the second note. Then the third note here is Sol, which is high pitch. Don't forget, this is what we have two E's. Don't forget, this is the high E string and this is the low E string. So we have the same notes, the same Sol here. This high pitch and this is what? Low. Fa here, which is high, and this is what? Low. Mi, which is high, and this is Mi, low. Okay. Mi, Fa, Sol. Okay, we have to descend this now. Starting from the third fret, making use of your third finger. Sol, this high pitch of the Sol. Then Fa, making use of your first finger. Then Mi. Then we now move to the second string. Again, making use of your third finger. Re on the third fret. Make use of your third finger. This Re. Then Do. Make use of your first finger on the first fret. Then Ti, an open string. Then La, making use of your second finger on the second fret. Then Sol, which is an open. Then to this string now. Your third finger on the third fret. This word Fa. Don't forget Fa. Then your second finger on the second fret, Mi. Re is an open string on this string. Okay, we now move to the fifth string. Fifth string. Making use of our third finger on the third fret. Do. Followed by Ti. Making use of your second finger on the second fret. Then La, which is what? An open string. Then back to the low E. Sol here. Make use of your third finger. Fa on the first fret. Make use of your first finger. Then back to the Mi. Just play just like this. Again. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this lesson. Have a great day.